Welcome to SIMS. Today topic is factorization. 12x square minus 7x plus 1 will factorize. So 12x square minus 7x plus 1. 12x square minus 7x plus 1. X square coefficient 12. Constant is 1. So both are take multiply. Came 12. So 12 we take and factorizes. Factorization means 2 6 2 3 so 2 into 2 into 4 and 3. So in middle x coefficient is 7. So they will comes to how to come equal to 7. So 4 plus 3 is equal to 7 and 12 also 4 into 3 12. So that's why both are equal. Adjustment in our factorization. So after that 12x square minus 7x plus 1. Now 12x square 4 plus 3 7 both minus, so minus 4 minus 3 total minus 7. So 4x minus 3x plus 1. So 12x 4x both are have, so common 4x 3 into x minus 1 common 3x minus 1. So 3x minus 1 common. So 3x minus 1 will take separately. Here 3x minus 1 is taken, remaining have 4x. Here 3x minus 1 taken, remaining have minus 1. So 3x minus 1, 4x minus 1 is a factor of 12x square minus 7x plus 1. So 12x square 1 minute 12x square minus 7x plus 1 factors of 3x minus 1 4x minus 1. So 2 factors. This is a factorization. It is very important in our mathematics in factorization. Thank you for watching.